You would never think this guy was doing what he was doing. So when he gets up on the stand and he starts explaining some of his egregious acts, one of them was this guy's daughter died by an accident of cancer, this drug dealer, and this John Wayne Gibbons kidnapped him, and he put him like in Scarface. If everybody could visualize Scarface with the bathroom scene when they were going to chop him up, they chopped up one guy with a chainsaw. He tied him up, and he was torturing the guy. And now my law is methodically moving him along. He got him so engaged, the guy was reliving it. The witness was reliving it with glee.